Land to Learn is a garden education nonprofit based in New York's Hudson Valley. Our mission is to grow a movement for food justice and community wellness through garden-based education. We work with schools and other educators to build and manage school gardens and use them as outdoor classrooms. Interest in garden education and outdoor education is on the rise. We are here to support you, your school, homeschool, or learning pod in implementing garden-based education.
Hi, I'm Sam from Land to Learn. In this short video, we'll discuss Land to Learn's ToolShed program. From our curriculum package to teacher training workshops to on-site garden consultation, we provide all the tools you need to bring garden education to your school or worksite. We've developed effective curricula, become experts in learning gardens, and have learned how best to bring garden education to schools and communities.
We offer 3 different packages or tiers of support for you to choose from. We offer single in-person professional development workshops for educators, or a 3-workshop series. We also offer garden consultation services to help you build your learning garden. There's also the option to purchase our standalone garden education resource package, which includes nearly 40 garden education lesson plans and our comprehensive Learning Garden Handbook.
Our curriculum is experiential and hands-on, offering students a fun, engaging way to apply their literacy, math, and other academic skills. No garden? No problem. The curriculum includes lesson plans that can be implemented throughout the entire year, both indoors and outdoors, whether or not you have access to a garden. Garden-based education doesn't necessarily have to happen in a garden. The curriculum is designed to facilitate wonder and discovery while making connections to food and environmental science.
However you want to bring garden education to your community of learners, we're here to help. Our distinguished team of experts has years of experience in the field of garden education. Let's work together.